Hi friends, welcome back to the Lexi Studio. If you have ever dreamed of turning your creativity into income, but don't have a lot of money to start with, this video is for you. Today, I'm so excited to share something a little different, how I created my first mini course and launched it online using Payhip. In these videos, I will walk you through my journey, how I tested Payhip and why I think it is perfect for creators like us. A little backstory. I have been sharing my digital illustrations online for a while, and I have always wanted to create a mini course, something meaningful and accessible for my audience. I wanted to create this mindful illustrations mini course because I know firsthand how stressful life can be. I've been working in an extremely demanding corporate job, and I discovered that drawing is one of my favorite ways to distress and calm my mind. This course is my way of sharing that experience with others, helping people use drawing and illustrating as a gentle and mindful practice to slow down, relax, and express their emotion creatively. I have been introduced to the platform Payhip, and I have spent weeks learning and exploring how to use it. As I got to know it, I realized how simple and creator-friendly it is for selling courses and digital products. What I love is that Payhip isn't just for selling digital downloads like ebooks, templates, or digital art. You can also sell online courses, coaching, memberships, and even physical products. This means you can diversify your income streams whenever you are ready. Perfect for creators who want flexibility. Another thing I discovered about Payhip is how simple it is to set up a professional store. You don't need any technical skills. The store builder lets you create a clean, branded storefront. You even get a free website domain and hosting, and if you want, you can connect your own custom domain. For me, this is a game changer. I didn't have to worry about building a website from scratch if I wanted to. Here is how I tested Payhip and built my first mini course step by step. The first step is signing up and setting up my store. Signing up was super quick. I got access to a dashboard where I could manage products, sales, and students. I could customize my storefront with my branding, images, and descriptions. The store builder even allows you to preview your store like a demo site, which makes it easy to visualize the final product. You can also embed Payhip products into an existing website if you already have one. So now comes to the second step, uploading my course content. When I was exploring Payhip, I also learned about their pricing. Uploading and selling digital product is free to start. You only pay a 5% transaction fees per sale. This is perfect if you are just starting out and building your audience. If you plan to host larger files like videos or you want to eliminate the transaction fees, Payhip offers a monthly plan that lets you upload videos directly and keep more of your revenue. Of course, there are other options. You could share your lesson, for example, quiz, assignment, download, survey, etc. Flexible pricing options. I set up my mini course pricing directly on Payhip. They take a 5% fee per sale. But if you are just starting and haven't made any sales yet, you pay nothing. Perfect for new sellers. As your store grows, you can switch to a monthly plan to remove these fees. It is one of the most affordable options for creators out. Now let's look at the marketing tools. Beyond selling, Payhip has some really cool marketing features. You can blog, run affiliate programs, referrals, upsells, cross-sales, and even manage email marketing right from the platform. This made me realize I could grow my audience while promoting my course. Well, you can technically sell anything: digital downloads, online courses, memberships, coaching, and even physical products. Like I mentioned before, it is perfect for creators who want multiple income streams. Now, let's talk about the global payments and integrations Payhip offers. Payhip integrates with Stripe, PayPal, Square, Paystack, Mercado Pago, and Molly. This means your students and customers can pay from almost anywhere in the world. I don't want to worry about tax compliance, so the really good things about Payhip is that Payhip currently handles UK and EU VAT for you, and they are soon going to be a global merchant of record, meaning they will manage all sales taxes globally, so you can sell worldwide without worrying about tax compliance. Of course, security. I aim to have a platform with good security that have built-in PDF stamping and download limits protect your work privacy. You can also use Payhip as an online marketplace. You can display your products on Payhip's marketplace for extra visibility. There's no extra cost. I was amazed at how easy it was to share my mini course. I link directly from Instagram, YouTube, and my website. Students could instantly access videos, PDFs, and audio files. I could track purchases and engagement using Payhip's analytics, which helped me plan future lessons. This experience motivated me to create more courses because the process is smooth, secure, and professional. Everything I needed as a creator without technical headaches. If you are thinking of creating a mini course, here's what I think. First, start small. A short mini course is easier to create and test. Second, focus on tools you know. I chose Procreate because I'm comfortable with it. Your confidence will show in your teaching. Third, organize your content. Keep videos, PDFs, and audio clearly structured. Payhip makes this simple. Fourth, add personal touches. Behind the scenes, insights, process videos, and small bonuses make your course feel special and unique. Remember, you don't need to have a huge audience to start. Payhip is perfect for new creators because it is low risk, flexible, and secure. If you are a creator ready to share your skills and digital products, I highly recommend Payhip. I have linked it in the descriptions and pinned comment so you can sign up and start your journey today. Whether you want to sell a mini course, ebook, digital artwork, or even physical products, Payhip gives you the tools and freedom to build your business. I hope these videos inspire you to take that first step in sharing your creativity online. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more art tutorial and creative tips, and leave a comment if you have ever thought about creating a mini course. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.